This is in continuation with the reel that I'm doing earlier. So you should be routed into this page after you click on the register button. That's 84726347263. Oh, yeah. Since my SIM card was already been registered, so that is why. But once you enter that one-time PIN, you should be routed into a page where it will be asking, or you are required to input personal information like your first name, your middle name, your last name, etc. etc. So just prepare. By the way, just prepare your selfie with yourself and a picture of your valid ID. Mine, I'm using. I used my UMID card, and there's an option there, a field there where you need to input the type of the valid ID that you are using, and you need to take a picture of that, including the field where you need to input the card number for the valid ID that you are using. Then there's a button there that you can um, where you can attach the picture of your valid ID, and also a button there where you can attach the your selfie. By the way, your selfie and the picture of your valid ID should not be more than 2 MB for that to be accepted. And by the way, this is in compliance with the Republic Act number 11934 that all active SIM cards will need to be registered to keep scammers at bay. So that's the reason or purpose for this constitution as mandated by the Philippines or the Philippine Act. So that would be it. And again, I apologize if I wasn't able to um, let you see what page where we should be routed, because this my SIM cards were actually been registered already. So that's it. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.